Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can utilize the Comet AI web browser in 2025 to conduct searches online and to use it as a web browser or search engine. So let us dive into this, guys. So as you can see, I'm on the home screen or homepage of Comet AI. If you don't know, Comet AI is a browser that has been published by Perplexity AI. Perplexity is a chat assistant, like for example ChatGPT or Copilot, Gemini, and so on and so forth. And you can use it, for example, download it from the homepage of Perplexity, install it on your device, for example on your PC or laptop, and use it, for example, like Chrome, Brave, or any other web browser. With the difference, guys, that you can give the artificial intelligence here on Comet AI your commands and prompts either in text here using that text field or using the voice assistant or the dictation feature here to give the artificial intelligence the command to find or entries on the internet, for example on Google, etc., and to navigate you to them directly, guys. So let me give you a live example how to use it. So here on the homepage, guys, you may use either the URL address at the top and simply type in your command there where it says ask anything or navigate. Or if you're familiar with using these chat assistants, guys, you may use that communication field here where it says ask anything or type in. And let me enter a simple prompt, for example, like this: navigate to google.com and find the newest weather forecast for New York, United States for end of November. Sorry for the typo. For end of November 2025, and press enter or click into this button and let the artificial intelligence do its magic. And there you go. After that, Comet AI will either give you or provide you with an extensive reply to the given prompt, like this one here with these sources listed below. Or if you asked it, for example, to navigate directly to a website, guys, you can do that as well. And for example, give it the command to navigate to a specific website. And after that, the given website will be opened in a specific separate tab here at the top. And that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.